Hello friends, welcome to the Python channel. In this video, we are going to look at what is a correlation and how to use the CORR function in the Pandas library to find the correlation between two variables. So what is correlation? A correlation is the measure of the linear relationship between two variables. For two variables x and y, if an increase in x causes a corresponding increase in y, then the variables x and y are said to be positively correlated. Similarly, if a decrease in x causes a corresponding decrease in y, then also the variables are said to be positively correlated. A negative correlation between two variables x and y means that an increase in x will cause a corresponding decrease in y, or a decrease in x will cause a corresponding increase in y. If there is no correlation between x and y, then they are said to have a correlation value of 0. Let us now see an example of how to find a correlation among columns of a data frame using the CORR function. Let us take a data frame df which contains the columns name, height, weight, and running speed. There are 3 rows in the data frame. Using the function CORR, we can find a correlation between the numeric columns of the data frame df. df.corr will give an output data frame as follows. The 3 numeric columns are present in the output and their correlation with each other can be seen in this resulting data frame. You can see that height has a positive correlation of 0.98 with weight and a negative correlation of minus 0.92 with running speed. Also, the correlation between weight and running speed can be seen as negative 0.98. This is how you can read the output of the CORR function. I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding the CORR function. Do subscribe to our channel to keep getting new updates. Keep learning. Thank you.